Hello, my name is XIANG. I'm a student from Network and Security. Today, I will be presenting for my final year's project. For my final year's project, I propose an idea for my project is restaurant e-ticketing system named Q4Me. This e-ticketing system enhance and controlling and handling queue for the restaurant. The problem breakdown for my project. At restaurant, they're facing poor quality of queue management during crowd situation. This lead to delaying of servicing customer. For example, during crowd situation, are unable to manage table for the customer. Problem. There is two views for in this problem. First is the waiters. Waiters hard to handle crowd situation. For the customer experience delay service and lacking bad user experience. Solution. I propose an idea to build an app that solves this problem. So in my apps, customer able to book tables before they reaching the restaurant. The system also will generate a token for suitable customer. For example, customer with 4%, after they book the table with 4%, the system will arrange the table for the suitable customer. At the same time, customer also able to order food through the app. Objective of my project. First one, I will propose a e-ticketing system that presents better management for handling crowd during events. Second, I will develop a system that provides e-ticket for better managed customer queue. Lastly, I will evaluate how the system that can improve restaurant efficiency in terms of queue management. Scope. There is 5 scope on my project. First one is customer able to making queue on apps. Second, queue ticket is provided to customer after they book. Third, this app is mainly focused on customer. Fourth, app is provided in hybrid environment such as Android and iOS. Lastly is all payment can be done through online or COD. Software requirements for my project. For the text editors, I'll be using Visual Studio Code. For the UML modeling tools, I'll be using Draw.io. For the front-end library, I will be using Flutter. For the cloud server, I will be using Firebase as database. Next, current system analysis. There is 3 similarly apps compared to my apps running on the market right now, which is OpenTable, Yelp, Redlist, HouseMe. From the features, there's some apps that do not provide it, but for mine, I will provide all the features such as book table, food order, account register, user apps, and ticket burn. Network security element. Since I am a network and security student, I will apply my network security knowledge on my project. So I will be using HTTPS protocol over data transmissions, and also I will be using AES encryption algorithm for my data encryption, and also I will be apply input validation to avoid PHP injection. And lastly, I will apply reCAPTCHA to prevent DDoS attack on my app. Software and database to develop for my project. Flutter is the framework, Firebase for the database, and also for the code editor I'll be using Visual Studio Code. System development methodology. I will be using Agile waterfall hybrid methodology because this methodology shortens the delivery time and easy to gather feedback from the customer in the early stage. Next, this is the user case for Q4Me apps. So there will be an admin roles and client roles. Both of them can be edit profile, and also only admin can edit the menu. Only the client can be view the menu. activity diagram for Q4Me apps. So this is basically client after clicking menu button on navigation tab, and the action will be done and the result will be returned, and all will be stated in this activity diagram. This is sequence diagrams for Q4Me apps for the client view. So client, as you can see, it requires for the menu and the database return the menu list, and the client choose a dish, and Q4Me apps processing and also retrieve the data from the database. Overall system architecture for Q4Me apps, I'll be using model view controller architecture design for my project, because this MVC architecture helps me to shorten the development time and also perfect the development. So next is the database design. This will be having the customer admin, order details, menu, product quality, category, all will be linked together in this database design. Lastly, I will represent for my interface design prototype. Also, this is a login page, home page and product page, profile page, and order details page. Conclusion: achievement of project objective. In this PSM1, I already achieved and I already designed and developed proposed Q4Me system. Although it is not developed yet, and it will be developed during PSM2. So for my plans of FYP2, I will be develop this system based on my requirement and specification identified in my proposed report. And also I will be test the system to ensure the system performs is well and having a good user experience. Thanks for your time. Thank you for listening.